Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to restore a cloudy Dyson dustbin and make it clear again. First, open the dustbin door and give it a tap to shake out any excess dust. Then remove the bin from the vacuum cleaner. Take a damp paper towel and give the inside of the bin a wipe to remove any surface dust. And afterwards give it a wipe with a dry paper towel to remove any excess moisture. In the next step I'm using some damp and 1000 grit sandpaper to sand the inside of the bin. It might seem counterintuitive to do this since it's making the bin look even cloudier than it was before, but this removes any deep scratches from the surface in preparation for the next step. The next step is the polishing. For this I'll be using a small drill from IKEA with a buffing pad and some buffing soap, both of which I got from Amazon and which I'll link to down in the video description. I start by applying some of the brown buffing compound directly onto the buffing pad and then start polishing the inside of the bin. Be sure to use a low RPM on your drill and to move the pad around while polishing to avoid a buildup of heat which could damage the plastic. After about 10 minutes of polishing with the brown soap, I apply some of the blue polishing soap directly onto the inside surface of the bin and continue polishing. This is the final stage and it should leave you with a nice, clear, shiny surface. This is the result after about half an hour of polishing. 15 minutes with the brown compound and 15 minutes with the blue compound. It's not perfect, but if we compare it to how the bin looked to begin with, we can see that it's a massive improvement. It's inevitable that the bin will end up cloudy again over time. Where I live, I'm right next to the beach, so I'm always vacuuming up sand, which makes the bin cloudy really quickly. But it's pretty easy to make it clear again with about half an hour of polishing each month. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.